Supply and Demand by Jasmine Ramos. Let's start with demand. Demand is a desire to own something, let's say cookies, and the ability you have to pay for them. Demand can be shown in a graph with a demand curve. A demand curve shows the price of the good and the amount people want to buy. It slopes down because usually you will buy more if the item is cheaper. This means the less something costs, the more you'll want to buy of it. Next comes supply. Supply is the amount of goods available, cookies in this case. Supply can also be shown in a graph similar to demand with a supply curve. A supply curve shows the price of a good and the amount of that good that is made. The curve slopes upward because the more something costs, the more money a producer can make off of their good. Both supply and demand can be shown in one single graph. Supply curves upward, while demand still slopes downwards. The point in the middle where the two lines cross is known as the equilibrium point. It means that producers are making just the right amount of cookies that consumers want to buy. If producers are making more cookies than you want, it is called a surplus. If they are making less cookies than you want to buy, there is a shortage. An important aspect of supply and demand is price. It's important because it is the amount a consumer will have to pay in order to receive a good. If a price is too high, people will buy less of the product. And if the price is low, people may buy multiples of the product. Producers try to set their prices so that they will get the most out of it. So in turn, the price of an item affects both the consumer and the producer. Thank you for your time and thank you for watching. Remember that supply and demand, equilibrium, shortage, surplus, and price make up a part of our everyday lives.